Welcome to the Simpler Cooking channel. In today's video, we will be making tortellini with mushroom sauce. Cook the tortellini al dente in a large pot in a sufficient amount of salted water. Let them drain and put them back in the pot. We keep them warm. Clean the mushrooms, wipe them with a damp cloth, and slice them into thin slices. Peel the garlic and cut it into small pieces. Melt the butter in a saucepan and sauté the mushrooms over medium heat for about 2 minutes. Add the garlic, sweat cream, and lemon zest to the mushrooms. Stir in the Parmesan cheese into the sauce and simmer on low heat for another 3 minutes. And finally, season with freshly ground black pepper. Pour the sauce over the tortellini in the pot and mix it gently. Serve on plates and season with black pepper from a grinder. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.